Hello there, welcome once again. This is the third video on syllogisms. In the first video, we looked at the introductory concepts on syllogism. We looked at how you could draw multiple diagrams for the given statements, and you saw problems on sum and all, some basic problems on sum and all. In the second lesson, we looked at the statements with the words no, and here we look at statements or conclusions with the word maybe or possibility. There is one key difference between this and the previous videos is that here, if the conclusion is true in any one diagram, okay, so in sum, no and all, if the conclusion had these words, the conclusion had to be true in all the drawings. See, remember we drew it this way, the conclusions, and then we said it is impossible in 4 drawings, then it had to be true in all the drawings. If these are the three, any of these 3 words is there in the conclusion has to be true in all the drawings. If the word maybe or possible or possibility is there in the conclusion, just one tick is enough. If it is true in any one diagram, it is enough. If it is true in any one diagram, see, let us say it is a cross here, cross here, cross here, and a tick here. If it was sum or all or no, this would be not possible. But if in possibility or maybe, this would be a valid conclusion. That is the key difference. If the word maybe or possibility is in the conclusion, if it is true in even one diagram, the conclusion is true. It could be true in more than one diagram, no problem. One diagram, if it is true, the conclusion is true. Maybe and possibility. Remember, when you see maybe and possibility, remember that it has to be true in just one diagram. More than one also is okay. All is okay. But if in one diagram, if it is a tick, the conclusion is valid. That is one key difference that you need to remember. Okay. Here, when the only when it is not true in all the diagrams, this conclusion is wrong. Okay, that's one thing that you remember. If it is all the circles connected, remember, if you saw that in the previous shortcut, we said if all the diagrams are connected to one another, then the no conclusion is false. If all the diagrams have the circles connected to one another, then the maybe conclusion will be true. Even in one diagram, if the circles are connected like this, okay, then the maybe or possible conclusion will be true. Remember, maybe or possible, the diagram, even one diagram, that conclusion is valid, then the entire conclusion is true. Let us look at some problems. Some headphones are chargers. Some headphones are chargers. Some headphones are chargers. I'll also try it this way. Some headphones are chargers. Some headphones are chargers. Okay, I've drawn this. All chargers are SIMs. So all chargers are SIMs. All chargers are SIMs. Then all chargers are SIMs. I'll write this way. All chargers are SIMs. I'll write this. All 4 are accurate because none of these contradict the statements. No SIM is a USB. So I will draw it this way. No SIM is a USB, or rather, I can write this way. No SIM is a USB. No SIM is a USB. I'll draw it here. Again, no SIM is a USB. No SIM is a USB. So I have 4 different ways of drawing this, and I have 2 conclusions. Again, remember, the conclusions have the word possibility, so it has to be true in at least one such drawing. So I have conclusions 1 and 2. I have drawings 1, 2, 3, 4. Just one tick is enough to make that conclusion true. Some USBs being headphones is a possibility. If you see, some USBs being headphones is a possibility, it's a tick. One tick is enough for possibility. This conclusion is true. See, some here you don't have that. Some USBs are not headphones. In this, some USBs are not headphones, and some USBs are not headphones. So you have 1 tick and 3 crosses, but even then, since the word possibility is there, this conclusion is valid because of 1 tick. All USBs being headphones, is it possible? It is possible. If you see, if you draw a 5th diagram, right? So headphones are chargers, all chargers are SIMs. No SIM is a USB. I could have drawn the 5th diagram like this, where this is U. So this one was U. What if this circle was U? All USBs being headphone is also possible. In the fifth state, this is my fifth drawing, let us say. Or in my first drawing, I had drawn it this way. All USBs being headphone is a possibility here. So one tick I've gotten. None of the other places it is a tick. Okay, none of the other places is a tick, but here it's a tick. Hence, both are possible. Both are possible. One drawing, if you can think of one drawing, then it is true. Here you can think of one such drawing. Hence, conclusion 1 is also true, conclusion 2 is also true. You can draw these statements like this. All sitar are ends. So let's say all sitar are ends. Generally, we can do 3 or 4 diagrams. Okay, all sitar are ends. I draw it this way. All sitar are ends. All sitar are ends. So this is taken care of. No sitar is a robo. So I will write it here. No sitar is a robo. I will write it here. No sitar is a robo. No sitar is a robo. No sitar is a robo. No ant is lux. Okay, so I'll write lux here. No ant is lux. So I'll write no ant is lux. I will write no ant is lux. So it means ant and lux there should not be any connection. Right? Ant and lux there is no connection. And here I will write no ant is lux. Ant and lux there is no connection. So this is also taken care of. All lux are oppo. So I'll write all lux are oppo. I will write all lux are oppo. I will write all lux are oppo like this. And here I write all lux are. So all of my 4 diagrams 1, 2, 3 and 4 are drawn. So I see 4 conclusions. Again, all 4 conclusions, or the 3 have the word possibility. So I draw conclusion 1, 2, 3, 4. I have four different diagrams. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us see. Some sitar or oppo is a possibility. So if you see these diagrams, some sitar or oppo is a possibility. So you will have conclusions 1, 2 and 4 with the possibility word. Okay, so only one diagram, if it satisfies that conclusion, it is enough. More than one satisfies also, it's enough. But if one satisfies, the conclusion can be marked as 2. Some sitar or oppo is a possibility. Here, some sitar and oppo, you do not have any connection, so it doesn't satisfy. Some sitar or oppo doesn't satisfy. Here, some sitar or oppo. All sitar or oppo means some sitar or oppo, so this satisfies. Hence, conclusion 1 is true because it has the word possibility. If it has the word possibility, just one diagram satisfying is enough. So one conclusion follows. All robo or lux is a possibility. All robo or lux, there is no connection here. Some robo or lux here, some robo or lux. So all robo or lux we can't write. There is no connection between robo and lux here. But in diagram 4, all robo or lux. Hence, we have conclusion 2 is also true. Conclusion 3 doesn't have the word possibility, so it has to be true in all the diagrams. No ant is oppo. No ant is oppo is true here. No ant is oppo is true here. Okay, no ant is oppo is true here. Here it is false. No ant is oppo. All of these ants are oppos. So it is false here. Hence, if it is one false, this conclusion is not possible. Let us look at conclusion 4. Some lux are robo is a possibility. See, if all robo or lux is a possibility, just from that you know that some lux or robo is also a possibility. Okay, some lux or robo is a possibility. Here it is not possible. Here if you see, some lux are robos. If you see this lux, they are robos. Hence it is possible. Here it is not possible. Here some lux are again robo. Because it has the word possible, one tick is enough. So you could have stopped with here. Hence, we have 1, 2 and 4 being the valid conclusions. For the next question, let us draw diagrams. Remember that these two have the word possibilities written. All green are red. Let us see in how many ways you can write. All green are red. All green are red. So draw this just so that 4 drawings are there. I can draw it easily. All green are red. Then I have all green are blue. So this I can write it as blue. can write this as blue. So we have this as red. I can have this as blue, and here I can have this as blue. Okay, all green are red, all green are blue is written. No green is white. So one way to do it is no green is white. The other way to do it is no green is white. I can draw no green is white here and no green is white here. You know, green is white is also done. Some white are black. Some white are black. Black I have to write. Some white are black. So this is black. Some white are black is done. And again here some white are black. Some white are black. So this is what I have drawn. So 4 statements are drawn in 4 possible ways. Let us see if it is possible. We have 4 conclusions: C1, C2, C3 and C4, and have 4 possible drawings. 4 possible drawings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us look at this. All red or white is a possibility. See, the first statement, all red or white is a possibility. If you see this, see, all green are red, but no green is white. If you see, all green are red, but no green is white, shows that all red can't be white. So we'll see that diagram. See, all the greens are reds, but no green is white, meaning those parts of that reds which are green can't be white. If you see, all greens are red. There is no connection between green and white, right? There is no connection between green and white. Green and white, there is no connection. Now, this part of green, as in this part of red which is green, can't be white. Okay, this part of green which is red, it can't be white. This part of green which is red can't be white. So all red or white is not possible. So see, some red can be white. All red can't be white because this area of red, right? This area of red can't be white. So it is not possible in any diagram. You see in any diagram if it is possible. Some part of red which is that green can't be white. So even if it has the word possibility, not even one diagram this is true. Hence this conclusion is not possible. Some green are not black. Okay, let us see if some green are not black. If you see in this diagram, some green are not black. Okay, you'll have this area here outside here. So this area, that green is not black. Okay, so you get that here. Some green are not black, but in this diagram, all the greens are blacks. So some green are not black is false. And if you get one false because the word possibility is not there, you don't look at anything further. So this conclusion is also not possible. All blue are not white. Okay, all blue are not white. If you see here, there are blue. Again here you see some part of blue is always green. If you see here, some part of blue will always be green. That green can't be white. So all blue are not white definitely without even looking at the diagrams. See, all the greens are red, all the greens are blue, meaning some part of blue is green and that green is never white. So all the blues are never white. So if you see here, this part of blue is never white. Again, this part of blue which is here is never white. This part of blue is never white. And again, this part of blue which you have gotten, which is green, is never white. So this is true in all the 4 drawings. Hence conclusion 3 is valid. Some black or red is a possibility. Okay, we need it to be true in one sentence. So if you see here, any drawing, if you see this black, some black or red, see this part is always red. Alright, some black or red is a possibility. You have gotten one tick, you don't have to look further. This conclusion is also true. Which conclusions are true? Conclusions 3 and 4 are true. Let us look at the different ways of drawing this. All arms are fixed. So one way to draw it is all arms are fixed. All fixed are boxes. Okay, so I have all arms are fixed. All fixed are boxes. So all arms are fixed. All fixed are boxes. So I finished drawing 2 of these statements. All arms are fixed. All fixed are boxes. This is done. Then some fix arise. So I have some fix arise. I can draw it this way, and no eyes is a monkey. One way to draw it. Some fix arise, and no eyes is a monkey. So one more way to draw it. I can also draw it this way. Some fix arise, and no eyes is a monkey. I can also draw monkey here. Inside A. Okay, so this is entirely inside A. Some fix arise. I can draw it this way, and no eyes is monkey. I can draw it this way. Okay, so I have drawing 1, drawing 2, drawing 3, drawing 3, drawing 4. Okay, so I have these. Now let us see which of these conclusions. All conclusions are the word possibility, so they need to be right in at least one diagram. So I have 4 conclusions. 1, 2, 3, 4 drawings. Let us look at whether conclusion 1 is true. Some ices are arms is a possibility. I get this here. Some ices are arms is a possibility. I get it straight away. I get a tick in my first drawing, so I don't need to look at anything further because it has the word possibility in it. Conclusion 1 is true. Some boxes are monkeys. Here some boxes are not monkeys, so I put a cross. Here some boxes are monkeys. If you see this area, the boxes are monkeys, or rather this area, the boxes are monkeys. Hence, I get a tick for diagram 2. So, conclusion true is true. Some ices are not fixed. Okay, some ices are not fixed. If you see here, these ices are not fixed. It is possible. Some ices are not fixed is possible. So, I don't look at anything further. I take it. All monkeys are arms is possible. Here, monkeys are arms are not connected, so it's not correct. Monkeys are arms. Here some monkeys are arms. This area, some monkeys are arms. So all monkeys are arms is not possible there. Here, if you see all monkeys are arms, if you see this entire area, all monkeys are arms. So this is true in this diagram. Hence, this is also possible. All the 4 conclusions are possible. The moment it becomes possible, don't look at anything further. Okay, that is question number 14. Let us see how this can be drawn. All horn are helmets. So all horn are helmet. Some socks are horns. Some socks are horns. Some socks are horns. All the socks are masks. All the socks are masks. Then no helmet is a BMW. So I can draw it this way. No helmet is a BMW. So that is one way of drawing it. Let us see if this syllogism can be drawn in any other way. All horn are helmet. All horn are helmet. Some socks are horns. So some socks are horns. All the socks are masks. All the socks are masks. And no helmet is a BMW. No helmet is a BMW. Let us see if you can draw it in any way. All horn, all helmet. Some socks are horns. Some socks are horns. All the socks are masks. All the socks, this is mask. No helmet is a BMW. So I put this here. No helmet is a BMW. So these are 3 diagrams that I have done. If you draw more, wonderful, you will still get the answer. If you draw 2, you will still get the answer. Okay, let us see. We have 4 conclusions. All conclusions have the word possibility in it. Conclusion 1, 2, 3 and 4. My drawings are 1, 2 and 3. Okay. I need only one tick. Sorry. Need only one tick. So some horns which are both socks and mask. Some horns which are both socks and mask is possible. It says some horns which are both socks and mask is also BMW, is a possibility. Let us see which horns are both socks and mask. So this horn are both socks and mask. See, it is both socks and mask. Can this be BMW? There is no connection. Some horns which are both socks and mask, which is this. Can it be BMW? There is no overlap between this and BMW, so this is also not possible. Some horns which are both socks and mask is this area. There is no overlap between this and BMW, so this is not possible. There is not even a single tick, hence conclusion 1 is not possible. Let us look at option 2. Some mask which are not helmet are also BMW is a possibility. If you see, this mask is not helmet, but it is also BMW. It is possible. This is not helmet, is also BMW is possible. Once one becomes possible, you don't look at anything further, we'll tick that. Okay. Even here, this mask, if you just for practice, here this mask which is not helmet is a BMW, and here that's not possible. Some masks which are not helmet, here it's not possible. So, but we need only one tick. We've gotten 2. So conclusion 2 is true. Some horn are not socks is a possibility. Some horn are not socks. Here you have this area. Some horn which are not socks is a possibility, right? So 1 is correct. Here it's correct. I don't look at anything further. So conclusion 3 is correct. No horn is BMW is a possibility. So if you see this entire BMW, it's not a horn. So no helmet is BMW, so horn can't be BMW because horn will be within helmet. See, horn will be within helmet. No helmet is BMW, so horn can't be BMW. No horn is BMW is possibility. It is guaranteed. So no horn is BMW. No overlap between horn and BMW. No horn and BMW. No overlap. So it is possible in all 3 areas. Hence, it is a possible, not just a possibility. It's a certainty. No horn in BMW is possible. Is certain. Even if the word possibility was not there, no horn is BMW, also this would have been correct. So we have 2, 3, 4 being correct in this question. So you looked at 3 videos in syllogism. You looked at some, all, you looked at no, and now you looked at possibility. Okay, so these 3 are the most standard, or these 4 are the most standard ways of asking questions in syllogism. If you need more practice, please visit 7sense7.com. You can get modules on all the topics. You can get questions, company specific tests, a whole host of companies at a very nominal rate, most of them being free as well. Practice and become better at aptitude. You also visit our YouTube channel 7sense Aptitude Prep. Like, subscribe, and share our videos there. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Have a lovely day, and I hope you found this useful. And I'll see you in the next video on syllogism, which will be about some knot.